Hello everybody, welcome back to BareRose Garage. What are we doing today? Well, we're going to tackle some interior work today. What do we got? You can see this is the rear deck. I think they call it package tray. It goes by the back window behind the back seat. What we're going to do is strip all of this old stuff off. You can see it's just powder from sitting and baking in the sun. So what I got to do is I got to strip all of this off and then get it prepped and ready to glue the new stuff down. So let's jump right into it. Here we go. Things I'm going to use: my gasket scraper, my trusty 5-in-1. I was a house painter for a long time, so that sucker's razor sharp. That works good. And another scraper and a bunch of extra razor blades for them. So let's dive in and get this stuff all off of here. So now she looks like this. Now what I'll do is I'll dust it all off, and then I'll lay my glue pattern down on it, and then I'll wrap the material around it. So here comes for the next one. Okay, now that I got my surface all prepped and it's ready to go, it's time to lay down the material. What am I using? It's just this felt stuff. You can see it's real stretchy, so it'll work good. And well, for this run, it's probably just going to be this stuff. Then after the No Name Nationals, I'll pull this back out, and then I'll wrap it with some green vinyl or something that kind of goes along a little better with it. Or I might just happen to find something else a little along the way that'll match it a little better, and then I can stretch it over it and use this as the backing, the kind of a padding kind of. You get the idea. Get on with it. Here we go. Let's lay it down for the pattern. Okay, you can see her there. We'll just roll her on out. Just like that. Now we'll take some scissors, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave about this much all the way around, and then when I wrap it and stretch it over it, it just stretches back over and locks it again on the back side. And here we go. I'll show you how we cut it and get it ready for that. Here we go. Okay, first things first, I'll spray the glue on this side all the way. Then I'll flip it over, and then I'll spray a glue pattern about that big all the way around on all of the edges. On this part right here, I know this is a heavy part, so I'll probably do all the way up in here. Glue it on both sides. And then the material, I'll flip it over to the side that goes down, and then I'll spray it all down too. And then lay it on a flat surface, set it down where I want it, and start stretching. Once it touches, you got to move quick because it starts to bond almost instantly. So you got to move quick and start working it in. Here we go. Let's see how much we can get done and how many wrinkles we can try to avoid. Here we go. Okay, here we go with some, looks like Lock Tite brand spray adhesive. Let's layer in. You always do it on both sides, and then as soon as they stick, they actually stick. Now right now that's tacking up. I got to move. I'll do the material off camera, but you get the idea. I'm going to do the same thing on it. Here I go. Okay, you can see her there. Let's see if we can get that wrinkle out of it. I've sprayed it on this side. Now just to lay the board down on it. Okay, it's just like wrapping a Christmas present. Make a slit there. Come on. Open her back up. We'll do a slit right there. All the way out. Come on. All the way out. Just like that. Now this side's a little bit more complicated because of that roll in, but you get the idea. You just don't want a whole bunch of excess in your corners. You want everything to lay flat and even and nice in there. So we'll go like that. And we'll go like that, that. There's another piece. Well, there you can see the finished product. It's all, well, got a little grass on it there, but you can see it's all smooth. No wrinkles in it. And she's ready to go in. And I've got the speaker holes there for the speakers. That'll slide in there and it'll last pretty good for a long time. Now, later on when I get my green vinyl to go over the top of this, I'll just repeat the process. Just stretch the vinyl over this, and this will act as kind of a little bit of a cushion, a little bit of a padded effect. So stay tuned on the next one and we'll do the dash just like that. I'm just waiting on a part for the dash, a little gauge cluster thing. It should be in Tuesday. So stay tuned, and in the meantime, get out there and get some metal hot. We'll catch you on the next one.